Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting mathematics for standard 3. Students, today we are starting our chapter number 16, that is fractions. Okay, so let's start. First, fraction means what? Look, you all eat rotis, right? So I am making this roti. Let's assume this is a roti. Okay, this is a single roti, but there are two kids. There are how many kids? Two kids. So what I have to do? I have to distribute this roti between these two kids. Then what I'll do? I will make a half of this roti. What I'll do? I'll make two equal parts, right? I will make two equal parts of this roti. This part for one kid and this part for another kid, right? Means one roti is distributed between two parts. That is, this is called, what it called? This is called a half part. What called? Half part. And half is written like, look, how many total parts? 1 and 2. Then 2 parts out of 1 part. 2 parts out of 1 part. That is, this is a half. And when we write number like this, it means 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. This is called half. So, when we write numbers like this is called fractions. You understood, student, what is fraction? When we write number like this, 1 upon 2, this is called fraction. Then have you understand why half? Okay, look, this is a whole roti, and we make two parts of it. So this one and another one. So out of two parts, I am giving one part to one kid and next half to another kid. So it is whole roti. Look, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is 2, and we will not add this upon wala part. This is, look, when we are writing a fraction, this number above, this is a horizontal line, right? So above horizontal line, this number we are calling it numerator. What is numerator? And the down number is called denominator. What it is? Denominator. Understood, students? So when we add the fraction, we does not add the denominators together. We only add numerator. So 1 plus 1, 2, and this 2 upon. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. So what it makes? A 1. So 1, it means whole part. Understood, students? This is what? Half. Now look, I am giving you another example. This is what? A guava, right? When I made two equal parts, what I will get? Half of a guava, right? This is what? Half of a guava. Look, this is a whole cake. When I make two parts, then I'll get half of a cake. Look, this apple is distributed between two equal parts. It is called half of apple. Understood? So when something is divided into two equal parts, each of the part is a half of that thing. You understood, student? Half. Okay. Now look here, exercise for you. Color a half of each of the picture given below. Now what is half here? This one part. So we will color this. Okay. In this, any of the part you have to color. In this, what is half? Either this, right? So this part we will color. Okay. In this. Okay, now look here. How many squares here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then how many we will color? Half part means 1, 2. 2 part we will color. Understood? Now look this. A line has been drawn in each of the figure given below. Put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into two equal parts. Now look this first one. Is it divided into two equal parts? No. Right? Then we will put here no. Is this? No. But look, this is equally divided between two equal parts. Then we will put yes. This is also, look this, no. This part is looking smaller than this. So, no. Understood, student? Now, the next concept is a quarter. So, what is quarter? Look, as I told you, a roti is divided between two. Then it will make half. Right? Now, a roti is divided between 4. How many? 4. Now, look, this is not equal. Okay, forget about this. We will look this square. Okay, look this square. This is a paper. This is a kind of paper and we have divided into 4 equal parts. Look. One fold and another fold. Or take your handkerchief. One fold and another fold. It makes a square. A little square. Right? So, when we divide this paper into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look here. When we made this line, then this square is divided between two equal parts, right? 1 and 2. It means a half, right? This is a half. And when we make its 4 equal parts, look. Now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of this part, look, a little square, it's a quarter part of the whole square. Quarter part is written like 1 upon 4. Quarter part is written like 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means what? How many total parts? 4 total parts. And out of that, 1 part we are taking it. That's why 1 upon 4. Understood? How many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. And out of 4 parts, we are taking one single part. That is 1 upon 4. This is called a quarter. Understood, student? When something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the part is a quarter of that thing. And how a quarter write? 1 upon 4. Understood? Understood, students? Now look, a whole means whole part. A half means half of this whole, and a quarter means quarter part of this whole. Understood you the concept? If we divide a half into halves again, we get 2 quarters. Right? So we have seen already that when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get a quarter. Understood? Now look here, color a quarter part of each picture below. Now tell me, which is a quarter part here? Now look, this quadrilateral has divided into 4 equal parts. So each of the part is a quarter. So a quarter, so we will color only a quarter part. Understood? Now look, how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how many total parts? 8 parts. So what is quarter here? Look again, this makes half. Okay, and now this makes a quarter. So we will color this. Like this you have to do all the things. Understood, students? So this is a housework for you. Okay, this is also a housework for you. Now our next concept is 3 quarters. What is 3 quarters? Now listen, again look, this is a roti. Now I have told you when we divide it into 2 equal parts, it makes half. When we divide it into 4 equal parts, we get a quarter. And we now look here, I took a quarter. So how much remain? 3 quarter parts remain, right? 1 quarter, 2 quarter and 3 quarter. So out of 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, one is missing. So out of 4 parts, 3 parts I am taking, 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3/4. This is called 3/4. Understood, students? 3/4. Okay. This one part which is missing, this is a quarter part, right? This is a quarter part. So I took it. So what is remaining? 1, 2, 3. 3/4 remaining. So 3/4 in a fraction we write like this. Okay. This is what? Look, half of the guava. And when we make again half of half, then we will get a quarter of a guava. Understood? So this half and this quarter of guava makes 3/4. This half and this quarter means 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. Understood, students? Now look, color 3/4 of the picture below. So what is 3/4 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So we will color these 3 parts. Understood? Here same. Okay. Understood, students? Now here, look here, you have to write that color part half and white part is also half. So you have to write. Now look here, color part is quarter, right? So we will write a quarter. And not colored part, white part means 3/4. So I am writing here 3/4. Understood how you have to write? So let's just complete this chart in your textbook. Now we will look a quarter, a half and 3/4 of a collection. It means what? Till now we have learned fractions of single parts, like fraction of single roti, right? Half of single roti, half of half of quarter of single roti, 3/4 of single roti. Now we will do with the collection. It means a group. We will do it with group. Now how we will find? Look, count it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. So if I divide it into half, then how many will be the half? How we will find? We will find like half. Total are 10 and we have to divide between 2 equal parts. Then what we will do? We will divide 10 by 2, right? So 2 5s are, the answer is 5. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a half part of this whole group. Understood? Or we can do this like, now you know how half is, right? In a fraction, 1 and half, right? This is half. We can multiply it by 10. Total number is 10. So how we will find it? Look, when a denominator is 2 and we are multiplying, so you can divide this multiplier by this 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5. Then your answer is 5. So this is a half part. Now look how to find quarter and 3. Now look, color 3/4 of the collection shown below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's find the 3/4. So how we will find? Now how 3/4 write in a fraction? 3/4. Right? And how many total number are? 8. So we will multiply it by 8. Again look, we will divide 8 by 4. This is a denominator, so we will divide. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. And how many number remain then? 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2. Then 3 twos are 6. So 6 is a 3/4 of this collection. So we will circle these 6 parts. Understood, student? How to find? Look, student, using half, quarter and 3/4, study the following example. The length of the school ground is 20 meter. The length of the school ground is what? 20 meters. So half of length of the ground is what? Half of 20. So half of 20 what? Half. How to find half? We will divide this bit by half. By half means 2. Then 20 divided by 2. What we will get? You know how to divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 10. Right? 10 twos are 20. So half of the ground is what? 10 meters. And a quarter of the length of the ground is 5 meters. So how we will find a quarter? Now we are having half. Right? Look, if this is a ground, we are having half. So when we divide this half into again 2 halves, then we will get a quarter. Understood? It means we will divide 10 by 2. So what is the answer here? 5. So 5 will be a quarter. And how we will find 3/4? How we will find 3/4? Now you know the quarter is what? 5. The quarter is what? 5. Then we have to find 3/4. So if this will be 5, this will again 5, and this will also 5. Right? So 5 means quarter multiply 3. Quarter, this quarter multiply 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 will be a 3/4. Understood? Understood, students? Now look, 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? 1 hour has 60 minutes. A half hour means half an hour means what? 30 minutes. Quarter hour means 15 minutes. And 3/4 means 15. 15 means quarter. So 15 multiply 3. So what will be the answer? 45 minutes will be a 3/4. Understood, students? A quarter of 4 liter is 1 liter. 4 liter. Now 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter. 4 times 1 liter means 4 liter. So quarter will be 1 liter. Understood? Jivraj has 200 rupees. He gave 3/4 of that amount to Meena. It means that Jivraj gave Meena 150 rupees. Now how we find 150 is a 3/4? Look, Jivraj has how much rupees? 200. So what is the half of this 200? We will divide 200 by 2, right? So we will get 100 is half. Okay? To find quarter, we will divide this half by 2. So 100 divided by 2 is what? 50. And she gave 3/4 to Meena. So what will be 3/4? We will we will multiply 50 by 3, or the other way is we can add the half. Half is 100 and quarter is 50. So 0, 5, 5. Understood how 150 came? Understood, student? Now look, 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas, right? Half a dozen means 6 bananas, and 3/4 of a dozen means 9 bananas. How you know how to find it? 12 bananas is 1 dozen banana. So half dozen is 6, and 3/4 means 9. So how to find? Now you know half. Half is what? 6. So if we find out quarter, then what we will do? We will divide this 6 by 2. Then we will get 3. So quarter we will get 3. So we will add, if we add 6 plus 3 is 9, it's a 3/4. Understood? Yes. Okay, students. Now these are some word problems of fractions. Try to solve these word problems in your notebook. I have given you PDF of workbook. In that I have solved it. Okay, so look that, and students, do practice of it in your home. Okay, happy learning students, your fraction chapter is over here. Thank you so much.